Dear brothers and sisters, you just heard in the gospel reading, you love the reserved seats. The scribes, they were the secretaries of law. Eventually, they became a group called themselves Pharisees. And they wanted all the facilities. They wanted the remain reserved seats. They wanted everyone to salute them in the common places. But they oppressed the people by making laws which did not come from God, no origin from God. Laws which had no significance for religious life and burdened the people's life by making them follow them. And so religion became an oppression. And so that reminds me of a man who had a strange dream. An angel took him to a Sunday worship service, and the organist played. The keys went up and down, but there was no music. The choir sang, their mouths opened and closed, but no song came from their mouths. The congregation prayed, their lips moved, but no prayer could be heard. The man turned to the angel and said, "The lips moved, the choir sang, the congregation prayed, but nothing could be heard. Why didn't we hear anything?" The angel replied, "Because there is nothing to hear. There's lots of activity, but no real worship.